their breed, they actually do exactly the same gait. So you can see that if you watch them. And the main thing to look for from your point of view is just how smooth the horses are. There's very little movement for the rider, and it's totally unlike a trot. The footfall pattern is exactly the same as a walk. It's a 4-beat gait. It has no suspension. She's coming. Alright, we might just stand to the middle and change direction. Alright. Yeah. So a trot, as you all know, is a 2-beat jump gait. So that as the horse is going from one diagonal pair of legs to the other, you have a suspension phase. That is why a trot is bouncy. If you watch these horses, you will see that there is no such suspension phase. There's always at least one foot on the ground. So there is that, there is no bounce. Okay, I'll just get you to maybe just do some fun stuff, and I'll stand in the middle and talk. Just do a bit of fun stuff. Yep. Alright, so I'll talk a little bit about Paso Finos. The Icelandic horses were already introduced here this morning, so I won't spend too much time talking about that. I'll talk about Paso Finos. They are from the Caribbean region. Their main countries of origin are Costa Rica, Puerto Rico, and Colombia. This mare is predominantly Puerto Rican bloodlines. They tend to be on the larger side, whereas a lot of the Colombian horses are very small and fine. They're generally shown in this gait. It's called the Paso Fino gait, and depending on it's shown in different speeds. And in the shows, they're generally shown in a very, very collected frame, in a very, very short stride, which is then termed fino. What they often do to show the purity of gait is they will ride them across a wooden Paso Fino strip, and you can actually hear the foot fall. However, there are other breeds that are gated.